Hey, good morning, everybody. So today we're going to be talking about our online PDF tool, Safe. So you see all the free online converter, simple PDF converters. Anytime you want to compress a file or you want to upload and do some online PDF editing, you are obviously at risk of uploading sensitive documents to the internet. So today I wrote an article. We're going to be talking to you guys about it. We're from Easy PDF Editor, which is one of our apps and software that we've created to basically manage the pain points that a lot of people on Reddit have told us about in creating an app for this purpose. We do run AI Canadian Solutions, which is an AI platform, CRM, intelligent automation. We specialize in building AI receptionists, CRM automation, built to scale. So that's a little about us, and let's get back to Easy PDF Editor. So some of the main things that you want to consider when you're uploading anything that has an ID, a contract, a medical form, maybe even your signature that is sensitive, you need to find a browser-based editor that processes it locally, which means it doesn't take the file, does not upload it to the server. Certain tools, including some of the ones that I use, like Acrobat, do have better features and options if you do an account and use their cloud systems. But for some of them, if you have sensitive, I would recommend not to. That was my pain point. Therefore, we built the Easy PDF Editor. We also have a lot of tools that allows you to very simply convert a lot of formats, HEIC to JPG or HEIC to PDF, and then you can use our free PDF editor to move files around, add YouTube interactivity, links, and everything that you would in a PDF Acrobat alternative editor. Now let's talk about the actual tool. So what is it that you basically are looking for? Well, the short version is some tools will upload a file to their server, and then they're going to do the job inside their computer, or some will do it in the browser. You are losing some features and potentially higher lossless quality in imagery. With us, it is almost truly lossless. We like to say between 90 and 95% lossless quality when you use the converting tools on Easy PDF Editor. When you are compressing files as well, you will be basically saving about 75 to 80%, I would say, compressing the file sizes. So we are obviously allowing you to compress PDF files. We are allowing you to compress JPG files and PNG files, and HEIC files are converted to JPG, PDFs, or PNG files as well. And you can further use our tools to continue with your journey. So again, when people say online PDF tool, they usually mean two very different things: server-side tools or client-side in-browser tools, which is what we're talking about. Easy PDF Editor is the client-side in-browser tools. Therefore, uploading sensitive information is better than if you were to upload it on a server-side tool, because again, they're going to read your information, and if that's something you don't want, then you definitely don't want to be using that. So how do you tell which kind you're using? You can try airplane mode, load the page, turn off your Wi-Fi, and if it still works and it's processing, then it's happening on your device. If it fails or spins, then you're using a server. You want to watch for an upload bar, a progress bar that says uploading is a giveaway that your file is actually leaving. R does a conversion, which is almost instant. You got to check your wording. Trustworthy local tools are going to say it outright. Runs in your browser. Files never leave your device. Vague tools, stay quiet about it. Look for we delete your files after an hour. That reassurance is well-meaning, but it only exists because the file was still uploaded in the first place. Now, we do have a PowerPoint conversion to PDF, and for that, we do use the upload option, but again, we kind of have to because there's additional software that we've built that's proprietary that it needs to hit. Now, let's chat about server-side versus browser side by side. So we do have a chart on the screen for you. Where is the file processed? On the remote server or on your device? Does the file leave your actual device? Yes, it's uploaded for server-side. In browser tools like Easy PDF Editor, never, except for the PowerPoint and the Word conversions, because they are using extra software and the engine that is actually running is on our server. So without it, you're not going to be able to do it. Works offline after the page loads, yes or no? Data retention to worry about. We do obviously have the ability to create an account on our website, which opens up a little more features for you, especially if you want to reuse a lot of the PDF editor options, if you may be creating leases or we're using similar templates after using our interactive OCR tools, which will essentially turn any image and extract the text from it, so you can map fields, signatures, send them for e-signatures, and all those tools that are provided for our premium customers. But you can, of course, use all our tools with limitations for free, always, without even creating an account. But if you do create an account, there's just more options. So feel free to play around just to see if this is for you. Is this good for sensitive documents? Only if you trust the provider. In-browser tool, yes, it's meant for sensitive documents like taxes, government contracts, business contracts, speed on large files. Now that is limited by your upload speed. On the in-browser tools, it's also limited only by your device. We do set a cap, which is 60 megabyte per files, just because it will strain some of our resources if we are trying to provide this entire set of conversion tools for free. And feel free to do your own testing in terms of conversions, which means take the original, take the compressed version, or take the alternative converted version and look them side by side just to see. So again, practical rules for staying safe: match the tool to the file. So for anything with personal data, use an in-browser tool that processes locally. We don't offer a paid gateway like some of the other tools that they force you to upload the file, or they make you go through all these steps, and then you spend 5, 7, 8, 9 minutes adding all your files only to know that you have to log in, do a trial, or any of that, or get a watermark, which is even worse. We don't do any of that, so all our stuff is always free unless you want the premium additional options. For example, most of our converting tools by default anonymously do 15 file cap. However, when you do actually create an account, you get all the way up to, I think, 300 on a single batch. And you can just keep reusing this so it doesn't expire. The bottom line is online PDF tools can be absolutely safe, but online isn't the only thing that you're looking for. The tools that keep your document on your device are the ones that you can hand a passport scan or a signed contract without a second thought. That is how Easy PDF Editor core toolkit is built. And anything does touch a server, we'll tell you. Just like the Word to PDF, Excel PDF, PowerPoint PDF, PDF Word, and PDF Excel. These do touch the server, but we also delete everything from our servers as soon as we can. So make sure you do go over some of our blogs. We do have a lot of conversion tools on here. That's the video. I'm Marcin. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.